Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to make carne asada tacos. We're going to show you how to make inexpensive and delicious tacos made out of beef flank or skirt steak, whatever you want to use. So first thing, we're going to make the marinade. So there's a few ingredients. We'll put this together. If you want to get the exact ingredients, please check out the description box and let's get started. So we're going to first put in there. Here's our seasoning mix. A little bit of oil. A little bit of soy sauce. Okay. Next we're going to mix this up, then we're going to cut up our steak and we'll go from there. Okay, here we have our skirt steak or flank steak, whatever you like. This is pretty inexpensive for steak, so we're going to cut this into 1/4-inch pieces. Then we're going to cut it again. Cut it into whatever sizes you prefer. So. Okay, now that we have that cut up, we're going to put it into our marinade bag and let that marinate for at least 2 hours. The more the better, so we'll put that in the bag. Okay, we got 2.5 pounds of our cut up flank steak. So we're going to put this in the fridge or just let this marinate for at least 2 hours. The more the better, so let's let that marinate and we'll be back. So we've had our meat marinating for 2.5 hours. Now we're going to dump our meat right on this electric skillet. Now, okay, we're frying our meat. It's going to take a little bit for this to get cooked up. Right now it's cooking great and we're cooking out some of the water, so it's going to take several minutes, so we're going to keep an eye on it. Okay, we're about 5 minutes in and it is continuing to fry and still boiling off the water, so we'll just keep an eye on it. Okay, we're getting closer. It's probably 15 minutes in and we're still burning off the water and the meat, and the meat's starting to get crispy and getting really delicious. Okay, we're about 15-20 minutes in and the meat is starting to get crispy, and we're going to keep on frying it because this meat is best when you have some crispy ends and a little bit of crunch going on with it. So. Alright, that's been almost 30 minutes on our meat and it's all getting crispy and delicious, so we're going to go ahead and shut the heat off and put these in our tacos. Alright, to have authentic Mexican tacos, we're toasting up some corn tortillas on a electric skillet. So yeah, this kind of takes everything over the top. If you haven't had this, I really recommend toasting your corn tortillas on a skillet because it's amazing. So okay, so we're gonna put some of this meat into our toasted corn tortillas. Tell me when you're ready. Okay, so we're gonna put some pico de gallo on top of our amazing meat here. Okay. Hey Riley.
Hi.
Try it out. See what you think.
Oh.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe.